Hey, how's it, Aloha gang? We're back at City Mill. I'm with Evile. We got an awesome do-it-yourself project. He's gonna show you how. What we got?
You know how when you got your lamp, either your lamp is broken, or you just want a project to do with your family? Take your old vase that's lying around and you can turn it into a lamp project.
That's right. Over here at City Mill today, we're gonna be taking this vase, turning it into a lamp thanks to the Make a Lamp kit that's available over here. Evile, where do we start? How do we do it?
You need to drill holes.
Okay.
And this is so that your wires could go through, just like this.
Okay, so you drill a hole in the bottom of the vase, but actually when it comes to the lamp, this is gonna be the top.
Exactly.
Awesome, and then one more hole, yeah?
Yes, sir. So this is for where your wire comes out on the bottom. So after you drill the hole, you want to feed this through both of these wires, and then you take your nipple and feed that through here until it comes out on the other side. Next, we will lock that puppy down with this lock washer.
Okay.
So we want to make sure our harp, this is what holds the actual arc for the lampshade. Feed that through. This is a socket holder. And now you're going to install the wires. Now you see you have a lot of extra wires, right? Just kind of feed that through until that's in there just like that. Put this piece on there that locks down the on and off switch. Put your light bulb on. Kind of squeeze your lampshade holder. You got these two pieces that locks it inside.
Perfect.
Last thing you would do is pop your shade on and turn on the power.
Whoo, let there be light. Evile, all the washers and the lampshade as well, all of that is available at City Mill and in different sizes as well, yeah?
Yes, sir. Colors, different sizes, 8 locations, or check out citymill.com.
Brought to you by City Mill.